If you don't have a snips, you can just use your pliers. You take a pliers and just turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. And now it's finished off. And if you want to remove it and reuse it again, just turn it over to the back and just snip a little further away from the clasp. And you pop it back out, and then you can reuse the zip tie again for smaller things. These are very simple to install, so I'm just doing it here on wires for demonstration purposes, but it operates the same way as you do a regular zip tie, and you just install it. The nice thing about these, you don't need any tools. You can just remove this with your hands, with your fingers, and you just grab this tab and you just pull down, and it just breaks away. So I have here zip ties in 3/16 stainless. These things are really cool. They're really simple to use. Spin it around just like a regular zip tie, slide it in to the rollerball self-locking clasp, and once you put it in place, it doesn't back out. So now I'm going to put it on wires, a couple of wires I have here. And these are really simple to use. And then you can just snip them. Any type of high heat environment, salt water, any corrosive environment, these are the babies you want.